Okay, now let us see what this thing is. Okay, what I'm gonna talk about here is how you're gonna be analyzing the market. This is the problem that a lot of people do ask me. You know that how do I used to analyze the market? You understand? I want to say my own trading style is based on the forex trend. You understand? I follow the trend a lot. You know, I follow couples of moving average. You understand? But let me show you guys something that you need to do. Okay, and I will tell you something at the end of this video. Let's say this is the USD JPY, and everybody knows that the USD JPY this season, you know, what is this? This season, it's been on the way down, it's been going downward. Everybody knows this. Even me, I know this. Okay, oh my God, sorry for these things. I'm trying to I'm trying to draw you a trend line to show you something, but he's not drawing it at all. Okay, well, let's do it this way first of all. So, because I know that the USD JPY, what is going on its own way down. There's a problem, a problem, a problem, a problem. It's a problem. Okay, now this is it. If the USD JPY now is going down, now I pull out a line and I said, okay, I pull my own trend line for the USD JPY going down. You understand? Let me delete this one. Okay, let me delete this one also. We don't want this thing. Okay. Now, this line that I'm gonna be shaking it here, this line, we got one line here. Delete this. Okay, we got this line. Now I'm gonna drop it on the top of the USD JPY daily analysis. Okay, I drop it on 2 points on the top of the daily time frame. Okay, so based on this now, I don't even think I should do anything more like, something so serious or something so special or terrible. This is enough to explain to us that the USD JPY is going down on the daily time frame. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is just, get one line here, get the high. Okay, get another line, get the low. Okay, we all understand that when the price is going down, it's got to come break the low, which means what? Which means the USD JPY is coming to break. It's coming to break the low right here. Right here, this low, this blue one here. It's coming to break it. That is what we know. Okay. Okay. But before it ever break it, it's gonna come and do what? It's gonna come and break this neckline here. This is neckline. It's gonna come break this neckline. Okay. But we don't need all this information. Let's keep going. Now we're gonna go back down to the 4-hour time frame. This is what we got on it. Okay. You can all see the line we drew on the daily. It's really cool, matching it up and telling us for real we are going down. Okay, but there's something I always like to do. One little thing I always like to do. Okay, because the 4-hour itself is a big time frame, so I get the high of the 4-hour too. I get the high. You can use another color to separate it from the color of the daily, but because of this example, I'm just using the same color. I get the low of the 4-hour time frame. Then when you look at what is going on inside the 4-hour time frame right here, maybe this don't matter, but we have to identify it and make it something like there's a wedge here. Let's make the color of our wedge of the 4-hour time frame a kind of let's make it a white. Let's make it a white. Let me get a white color. Let's make it a white. Save it. Okay. We got a wage. This is our wage on the 4-hour time frame. This is our wage. Spotting out something that went from the low to the high. This is our wage. Remember, I told you guys something about the support resistance. I said when the price have come from the high and got to the low, it's going to create the middle. This is high, low, it's going to create the middle. So after creating the middle, what next? It got to come break the low. The blue low right here is coming to break it. Now, let me do another thing. Another wage. This is the 4-hour inside a wage. 4-hour inside a wage of a daily trend going down. What is this telling us? This wage, the 4-hour is touching the top of a wage, and they are both touching the daily trend line going down. That means the 4-hour have no choice now to break this low and come down here to the blue here. But it's going to break this blue. That's it. The major thing I'm trying to talk about is when you draw your own trend line on the daily, because you know where the market is going, the idea is to know where it is going. Okay. When you know where it is going, then you will understand that even the 4-hour, whatever it's doing, it has to come break this low that it has created right here. So we put the wage only to spot out, okay, what is the time to enter the trade? A lot of people don't mind. They know that a particular zone will be respected, mostly the high here. They can put their entry and go and sleep, forget it. But some people do mind. They want to break out of the wage. They want to break out of the wage for entry and the stop loss above the high. And they follow the price to go wherever it wants to go. Now, let us now dive down to the 1-hour time frame and let's see what we got. Okay, now this is the 1-hour time frame properly telling us something. Okay, it's telling us something. You know, actually, I don't like drawing too many lines, but I just want to use this line for example. We got the eye of the 1-hour. Okay, you can see the wage itself. The wage is the white line touching the daily yellow, the daily red or pink or whatever it is. You can see touching it. So that means what? That means the price has rallied up against the trend itself, came to hit the top of the daily by hitting this red, and the wage of the 4-hour top itself, then it dropped. Okay, it dropped. What is this telling us? It means that the 1-hour has come from the high to the low to create a resistance support. Then it might create the middle. Okay. I will not even need too much analysis on this, but you know, let me put one more line here. This is the low of the 1-hour, which it has created right now. So definitely it's going out there to go create the middle. The middle is what it's going to create. And this could be the middle right here, around here. Okay, but it's coming to create the middle. It will turn around from here and go back down to break this low. Remember I said your own ability to read the market is one thing that guarantees your own success. If some people don't mind, they take their entry right here, they put their own stop loss somewhere above the high, and they follow this price to wherever it's going. Okay, so I think you guys got a little clips of, you know, how to analyze the market properly. You understand? And there's nothing much to explain about it. But I think a lot of you guys are beginners and there's a better way to go about this thing. If you're still having the problem about how to identify the trend or where the market is going, that you don't even need to draw your trend lines by yourself. You just need to, you just need to wait and let one thing, one algorithm draw it for you and show you this is where the market is going. That all you need to do is just take action. Get to the link below this video and you will see, everything I mean with all the video I've ever done explaining those tools, and the link will take you to that tool itself, and this will help you because this will take your own forex to the fast best level. You understand? You will not be struggling. That's what I mean. You will not be struggling. Okay, you will not be thinking of how to put things together. Okay, because things have already been put together for you. You understand? So I will need to talk too much. But the link I'm telling you is the link that takes you to a tool that draw all these trend lines for you automatic, that you don't need to do anything. Okay? So if you got interest in that you feel like drawing all these trend lines is still tedious by itself, that you think, okay, even if you are a beginner, you can make a mistake. And when you make a mistake, then all your trade is fucked up or messed up. So if you think that tool is gonna help you, yeah, that's the link below the video. Just play around with it, check it out, man. You understand? So take care and expect my next video. Thank you.